Welcome to Alsalon.com. Today we are going to see Ezbro account detail. If you are not subscribed our channel, click subscribe button for the more videos. We are going to see introduction of Ezbro, how to use your Ezbro account, commissions for the bill payment and reloads, how to activate Ezbro account and transfer money from your bank to your wallet. Introduction. Ezbro accounts newest program introduced by Dialog Easy Cash. For the self-employment, you can run an Easy Cash account and you will receive some extra commission for the each bill payment and reloads. Here is the method for Ezbro account checking balance and reload option. This is for the existing Ezbro account users. If you are not an existing user, you should check our video in the next part. By dialing #111#, I am checking for the bill payment option. Option 3. It will ask my PIN number. Okay. Can we reload Dialog mobile connection, Dialog TV connection, home broadband or CDMA connection, Dialog WiMAX connection, Etisalat mobile, Hutch mobile and 92. Next option. And package top up and Lanka bill payment and Airtel payment. Here you cannot reload Mobitel reload, so bill payment. Only don't have Mobitel payment, other all options are available. I'm going to main menu. Option 14 for the your Easy Cash Ezbro balance. It will ask PIN number. My balance is 401 rupees. Now we are going to check a reload. So I'm going to 94, bill payment, password, Dialog mobile I am paying option 1 and the mobile number 127 amount minimum value 25 rupees for the reload. So I am checking purpose, so I am using minimum 25 rupees. It will ask confirm, yes. Your Dialog mobile transaction is processing. I get a SMS, I click dismiss. You get a SMS. Dear customer, you have recharged your account 25 rupees. You have balance. Okay, this is my normal prepaid balance. Now I am going to check the Ezbro account. I have got I reloaded 25 rupees, but it charged only 24 rupees and 66 cents. Small commission and another commission I have received. You have received a commission 66 cents. So 25 rupees I am getting around 1 rupees commission. So 100 rupees I will get the 4% commission. This is offer time, so sometime it will pay me. Normally they are giving 2% for the reload and bill payment 1% only. Commission for the bill payments and reload. Commission for the Dialog mobile usually 2% and commission for the bill payment, Dialog CDMA connection, broadband connection, TV connection 1%. It may vary. Sometimes they increase the commission to 4% up to 5%. So it depends on the offer time, promotion time, they will change the commissions. Here is the method. You can activate your Ezbro account on your existing mobile prepaid or postpaid SIMs. But when you activate, your existing normal Easy Cash account will be terminated. So by the calling hotline can be activate this package. calling Node 777-456-406 or drop email to service@dialog.lk, or can be fill a form, your name, mobile number, address, district, ID number and institution. Here is the form. Ezbro request form, and type your name, not necessary to answer if you working in a hospital, just like answer hospital and click submit. And the regional manager will call you and you have to follow the steps and they will guide. And now we are going to this easy cash option, and you can reload your easy cash Ezbro account to you are from your bank or retailer or distributor. I'm going to show how to reload from commercial bank. Sign up, sign your commercial bank account. Click mobile wallet. Mobile wallet option. Then use self-registration. Category mobile wallet. Service provider Dialog easy cash, and you can be activate in cash also from this moment. Mobile Commison 10 I already activated. Building name you can go to Ezbro account, reference my Dialog. Submit. I already submitted, so can we check in mobile wallet? Here's the method. I'm going to choose this method. View my bank balance. Service provider Dialog Easy Cash. Phone number, I already select this one. I'm just testing purpose. I'm reload 100 rupees. Submit. Confirm password. Transaction completed. So this time I'm getting SMS.